Here we are going to discuss about transpose of the matrix. Transpose means convert row into column and column into row. Here I declared two header sections. One is studio.h, another one is kunia.h. That means standard input output, then console input output.h. Okay, this is the main function. I declared the return type as void. Void means it doesn't return any value. Here I declare 5 variables, 1 matrix variable and 4 normal variables. So I clear the screen. This statement is used to print enter number of rows to display the user for getting the input. So the user enter the input that will be stored in the variable row. Then they enter the column value that will be stored in column. Then here I use two for loop. One is for a row and another one is for column. So I declare I initialize the I value as 0 and give the condition I less than true. Increment by 1, and then j initialize as 0 and check less than column value. Then it also increment by 1. So when the user entering the input, it will be stored in array format. So first I have the value 0, j also have the value 0. So the first value will be stored in a of 0, 0. Then control increment the j value. So j value is increment by 1. Then I value is the same. So second time it will be the value will be stored in a of 0, 1. Then control go to again j value, increment the j value, but the condition not satisfied because j less than 2. I give the input, that means if I give 2 rows and 2 columns means the condition will be false. So it comes side of the loop and go to the I loop. So I value will be increment by 1. Already it is 0. Increment by 1 means it is converted into 1 and j values initialize as again 0. So when the user enter the input, that will be stored in a of 1, 0. Then j values increment by 1. So j values now 1, I already 1. So now the values is stored in a of 1, 1. So again increment by 1, but the condition will be false because j values 2, j, the condition is j must be less than 2. Now j is 2, so the condition will be false. So come outside of the loop. Then go to the I value. I is also increment by 1, but the condition will be false because I already 1. Now it will be increment by 1 means it is converted into 2, but 2 less than 2 is not satisfied. So the condition will be false. So these elements are stored in these variables and I would like to display the result. So I give the heading transpose of the given matrix to display the user. Then the same coding will be pasted here. Instead of scanf, I use a printf statement because scanf is used to get the value from the user. Printf is used to print the answer to the user. So this change only made. So instead of I means row, row will be converted into column and column is converted into row. So that's why I interchange the variable. So when run the program, I give the 2 to row and 2 to column means it will be get 4 variables because 2 into 2, 4. So it will get 4 variables. Then the answer will be displayed like this, AF00. These two elements are row. So this will be converted like this vertical part. This is horizontal into converted into vertical. So 10, 20 is displayed like this and the second row will be displayed like this vertical part. So when we run the program, we can see the result. Enter number of rows means suppose the user enter 2 rows and 2 columns means now give the 4 variables 10, 20, 15, 30 means this is the output of the answer. Here you can change, see the 0, 0 means 0, 0. 0, 1 means this will be comes here, and 1, 0 means this will be comes here, and A1. Only diagonal part is same to the input. Thank you.